Have you ever pondered the true price of our modern conveniences? Could our comfortable lifestyles today be setting the stage for a less hospitable tomorrow? This is a journey into the heart of a warming globe, a tale of climate change. In the past 100 years, the Earth's average temperature has climbed about 1 degree Celsius. That might not seem like much, but even this slight increase has had profound effects on our planet. Glaciers and ice caps are melting at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels. In the last century alone, the global sea level has risen by about 8 inches. And it's not just the polar ice that's feeling the heat. Our oceans are absorbing more than 90% of this increased atmospheric heat. This has led to a phenomenon known as ocean acidification, a decrease in the pH of the seawater, making it inhospitable for many marine species. Coral reefs, home to a quarter of all marine life, are particularly vulnerable, with half of them already lost in the last 3 decades. On land, the effects are no less devastating. More intense and longer droughts have been observed over wider areas since the 1970s. This dry spell has jeopardized our food security, with crop yields expected to decrease by up to 25% in some regions by the middle of this century. And let's not forget the human cost. Climate-related disasters have already displaced millions of people worldwide, a number that could increase to between 150 million to 1 billion by the end of the century if current trends continue. Yet, amidst these grim realities, there is hope. Through the collective effort of nations, communities and individuals, we can mitigate the worst effects of climate change. We have the technology and the knowledge to reduce our carbon emissions, to adapt and build resilience against climate-related disasters, and to transition to a more sustainable and equitable world. So, what have we learned today? We've seen how a seemingly small increase in global temperatures has far-reaching effects on our planet, from melting ice caps and rising sea levels to more intense droughts and displaced populations. We've explored the dire consequences of inaction, but also the potential for hope through collective action and sustainable practices. This is our planet, our home. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. It's a tale of climate change, and it's a story that is being written right now by each and every one of us.